Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to make a payment, but you didn't have cash or your card on you? Or maybe you wanted to send money to someone, but you didn't have their bank details? If so, then you'll be interested in learning about Favepay eCard. Favepay eCard is a virtual prepaid card that you can use to make online and offline payments. It's a great option for people who don't have a bank account or who want to keep their spending under control. What is Favepay eCard? Favepay eCard is a virtual prepaid card that you can use to make online and offline payments. It's a great option for people who don't have a bank account or who want to keep their spending under control. How does Favepay eCard work? To use Favepay eCard, you first need to create an account. Once you have an account, you can add money to your card using a variety of methods, such as bank transfer, credit card, or cash deposit. Once you have money on your card, you can use it to make online and offline payments. You can use your card to shop online, pay for bills, and even send money to friends and family. Benefits of using Favepay eCard. There are a number of benefits to using Favepay eCard, including no bank account required. You don't need a bank account to use Favepay eCard. Easy to set up and use. It's easy to create an account and start using your card. Secure and safe. Favepay eCard is a secure and safe way to make payments. Affordable. Favepay eCard is a cost-effective way to make payments. How to get started with Favepay eCard. If you're interested in learning more about Favepay eCard, you can visit the Favepay website or download the Favepay app. Additional tips. You can use Favepay eCard to make payments at over 15,000 merchants in Nigeria. You can also use Favepay eCard to send money to friends and family. Favepay eCard is available in 3 different currencies: Nigerian naira, US dollar, and British pound. Favepay eCard is a great option for anyone who wants a convenient, secure, and affordable way to make online and offline payments. If you're looking for a virtual prepaid card, I highly recommend Favepay eCard. If you're interested in learning more about Favepay eCard, please click on the link below. Thank you for watching.